Hello friends, today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names. It's called Al-Muta aal, which means the Most High and the Exalted. This name tells us that Allah is above everything and everyone. He is the highest in every way you can imagine. Let me help you understand this with something you know. Have you ever climbed to the top of a tall slide at the playground? From up there, you can see everything below you, right? You can see your friends playing, the swings moving, and all the fun happening around you. Now imagine someone even higher than that, higher than the tallest building, higher than the clouds, higher than the moon and stars. That's how high Allah is. But Allah isn't just high in the sky. He is high in power, in wisdom, and in greatness. Nothing is greater than Allah. Here's a story to help you remember. Once there was a little boy named Omar who loved to build towers with his blocks. He would stack them as high as he could reach. One day, his big sister built an even taller tower. Then his dad built one taller than both of them. Omar realized that no matter how tall he built his tower, someone could always build higher. Then Omar's mom smiled and said something beautiful. She said that Allah is Al-Muta aal, higher than anything anyone could ever build or imagine. Omar felt happy knowing that Allah, who is the highest of all, loves him and takes care of him. So remember, friends, when you look up at the sky or see something really tall, think of Allah's name, Al-Muta aal. Allah is the Most High, greater than anything we can see or imagine. And the amazing thing is, even though Allah is so high and so great, He still listens to our prayers and cares about each one of us. Isn't that wonderful? Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.